Okay, I'm often asked to talk about if a blended rate is a good idea. So what happens is when you are somewhat into your term and like you're halfway through a fixed term or whatever it is, you're 3 years in, and the bank says, "Hey, to not pay a penalty, we can just blend your rate." So if I had a rate of 2%, and then all of a sudden 3 years down the road, I pay it out, and rates are 3%, they would just blend those rates together. Now, there's a few things I want people to be aware of on this. Is that it's not always a terrible idea. It is true that you avoid the out of cost of a penalty most of the time, and so when you take out a mortgage and you have to pay a big penalty, $20,000 or whatever it is, if you need that for a down payment, a blended rate can be a decent way of looking at things. Now, a blended rate does not eliminate your penalty. It rolls in the cost of your penalty, and it rolls in the rates together, coming to some convoluted number, such as 2.798496 to blend all your different rates together. It's impossible to know how attractive a deal you're getting, knowing that banks are offering you a posted rate. When you have a posted rate, this means it's a not discounted rate. So a blended rate will never save you an interest. No matter who tells you that, it's never going to save you and give you more interest than redoing the mortgage or a penalty. It will save you on out-of-pocket costs. But there is nothing bigger than one of these things where you need to understand if it's worth to do something like this to do the blended rate. But more than anything else, if you need to ever do a blended rate, reach out. Let's walk through your scenario together. Let's walk through, and we're not going to give you a yes or no why you should do it, because it's not really about saving the money. It's whether or not something blended would make sense for you. Like, is it better for you to not pay the interest over the term? Is it better for you to not, or is it better for you to take the cash out? Lots and lots of things to think about. So blended might be good, might be bad. Let's talk before I do something like that.